What will be the problem solving approach? This one will be the second problem of miscellaneous exercise of the chapter of matrices from NCERT. First of all, read this problem very carefully. Write the given information. That means you have to write the matrix A. The next one, mark the important words, and here the important words is small n, which belongs to capital N. That means natural number. Here n is the natural number. Next, the most important thing, we have to prove a statement which is given in the problem. It is clear that to prove this statement, we have to apply the concept of mathematical induction. According to the concept of mathematical induction, first of all, we have to prove this statement for n equal to 1, and then the statement is given for n equal to k, and at last we have to prove this statement for n equal to k plus 1. Now we are going to discuss the solution in detail. The statement is given, which you can see. Now first of all, put n equal to 1. What you can get? You will get 3 raised to power 0 in each entry of the matrix. And as you know, 3 raised to power 0 equals to 1. Hence, after putting n equal to 1, you will get the matrix in which each and every entry equals to 1, and which will be the matrix A, which is given in the problem, right? Hence, the statement is true for n equal to 1. Now, consider this statement which is true for n equal to k. According to the principle of mathematical induction, most important, we have to prove this statement for n equal to k plus 1. Hence, write down the matrix A raised to the power k plus 1, which will be equal to 3 raised to power k in each entry of the matrix. Now, the point is that how to prove this statement for n equal to k plus 1. Now, consider the matrix A raised to the power k plus 1, which will be written as A raised to the power k into A from the principle of exponent. Hence, the matrix will be equal to A raised to the power k, which is the given matrix, into the matrix A, and the matrix A is 1, 1, 1. In second row, once again 1, each entry. In the third row, once again, the each entry equals to 1. That you can see. Now, apply the concept of multiplication of two matrices. As you know that the first row of the matrix A raised to the power k will be multiplied by the first column of the second matrix A. By multiplication, you can get the new matrix, and you can see that each entry of this new matrix will be equals to 3 raised to the power k minus 1 plus 3 raised to the power k minus 1 plus 3 raised to the power k minus 1, which will be written as simply 3 into 3 raised to the power k minus 1. That means if you add x plus x plus x, it will be simply 3x. As you can see, the value of x equals to here 3 raised to the power k minus 1. Hence, each entry will become 3 into 3 raised to the power k minus 1. And hence, from the property of exponent, the each entry will become 3 raised to the power k. And this way, we have proved this statement for n equal to k plus 1. Hence, the statement is proved for n equal to k plus 1, and from mathematical induction we have proved the given statement.